Hi everyone, meteorologist Ed Valley here taking a look at the Northeast. We're seeing our first wave of moisture now move away. It impacted, as you see here on the radar image, overnight a lot of central and northern New England. Even southern New England saw some rain, and now it's really relegated to along the international border. But if you look at the cloud cover here, you'll notice there's a big chunk, like Jaws came in here and took a bite out of the southern tier of New York and Pennsylvania. That's that warm sector slowly but surely moving its way north. There is a huge difference between north of the warm sector and in the warm sector, and I want to show you what that is here in just a second. So first things first, we talked about 1 to 4 inches of rain this week. Well, we're starting early. Again, not much south, only a trace to a quarter of an inch, but you go north, anywhere from a quarter to 1 inch of rainfall. Looks like the highest I see is 0.86 at Albany. So a pretty decent shot of moisture this morning, and there's more to come. And I want to talk quickly about that strong warm sector situation, because it is indeed strong. Look at this. 30s and 40s inland, 70s in southern New England, and through the day, those 70s don't get very far. They're going to get up into central Connecticut, Rhode Island, southern Massachusetts, into the Poconos, but really, it's going to still feel like late summer, early fall down in Allentown, Philly, Trenton. But you get up into New England, it's fall, early winter. Really nasty, gross conditions today. And through the overnight, as this low pressure starts getting going, you notice the cold kind of takes over the warm as we get into the day Tuesday. So let's bring this back and we'll talk about precipitation risk through this period. And you notice, again, the first wave moves north today. You got some drizzle this afternoon in the cool sector. Where you get the warm sector, you're clearing out, and you might even see a few storms develop this evening. Some of those could be strong as this system gets going. Hail, some gusty winds, and heavy rain, the main threats. And then overnight, that rain is going to spread northward, and by the morning hours on Tuesday, it's gross. It's a nasty day. Looking at winds here, wind gusts, not too strong quite yet, but they're going to be 15 to 30 out of the northeast to start the day Tuesday. But look at this by the afternoon. As the heaviest winds move in, 40 to 65 mile an hour winds in southeast Mass possible, 20 to 40 mile an hour winds for the rest of us here as we head into Tuesday night. And even still, some of these wind gusts could approach 40 or 50 miles an hour as far west as New York City. And into Wednesday morning, look at these wind gusts. 20 to 45 miles an hour, pretty much all along the coast. Inland, a little bit less, we'll call it 15 to 35, but still quite a bit of wind coming here Tuesday, Wednesday. And obviously that's going to be associated with rain as well. And you see the rain on and off through the day Tuesday. And Tuesday night, this rain is going to slowly collapse to the south and east. And by Wednesday morning, just a few showers left in parts of New England. And by the end of the day, they're wrapping up in eastern New England. How much rain? Well, here's an idea. This is in addition to what's fallen up until 7 a.m. this morning. So this is 8 a.m. this morning on. Another, we'll call it half to 1 inch north. And for the rest of us, it's 1 to 3 inches of rain. I mean, it's pretty simple. Widespread heavy rainfall is likely here through Tuesday night. And then again, it's going to improve as we get deeper into the rest of the week. I think Thursday is a good day. Really not much happening. Friday starts okay, but notice our next system moves in. Rain arrives in the afternoon to parts of the mid-Atlantic. And then rain and showers on and off Friday night into Saturday across the region. And it should give way to a drier Sunday, Monday. But again, plenty of rain to come here. If you add in that rainfall here, Friday to Sunday, it's another quarter to 1 inch. So you add that on top of what's already fallen, you get this for the 6 day idea. I mean, it's 2 to 5 inches of rain for most areas, 1 to 3 along the international border. So a lot of rain still to come. Looking at temperatures today, obviously you get the big difference, 70s south, 40s north. Tomorrow is more uniform, 40s and 50s inland, 60s coast. We'll do that again on Wednesday and then even Thursday. And then by Friday and Saturday, you notice seasonable conditions, 50s and 60s. Then you watch Sunday, that cold front arrives, and you feel it on Monday and Tuesday of next week. And by the middle of next week, look at this, highs in the 40s and 50s for pretty much the entire region. So a much cooler air mass is on the way, and that will likely come with some freezing temperatures as far south as the Poconos, maybe parts of interior southern New England as well. So we'll be watching this. If you have questions, let us know. We'll be back tomorrow with another video.